Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best customized friend photo frame available on the market, the Lnzong personalized wood picture frame. This frame offers a unique and heartfelt way to cherish your most precious memories with friends, family, or even your beloved pets. The Lnzong photo frame is crafted from high-density wood, ensuring it feels sturdy yet lightweight. What sets it apart is the whiteboard area on the left side of the frame, designed specifically for you to write personal messages, heartfelt wishes, or even get creative with paints and crayons to add your own artistic touch. This feature truly makes it more than just a frame. It's a keepsake that captures your emotions and creativity. Measuring 9.4 by 7.1 inches, this frame perfectly fits any standard 4 by 6-inch photo, making it versatile for all kinds of pictures. Whether you want to display it horizontally or vertically, the adjustable back support allows you to easily switch orientations. Plus, it comes with both freestanding capability for tabletops and 2 lanyard points on the back, so you can hang it on any wall in your bedroom, living room, or office. The front cover is made from acrylic instead of glass, which reduces the risk of breakage while still providing clear visibility for your photos. This thoughtful design choice adds durability without compromising the look of the frame. Another lovely touch is the inclusion of DIY stickers that come with the frame. These stickers are easy to apply and remove, letting you further personalize your gift or decoration without worrying about sticky residue. The frame is also packaged elegantly in a gift box, so it's ready to present as a meaningful present without needing additional wrapping. This photo frame is more than just a decorative piece. It's perfect for commemorating special occasions, from birthdays and anniversaries to memorials for pets or loved ones. It's an excellent way to show appreciation, love, and sincerity. Whether it's for teachers, family members, or close friends, the ability to write directly on the frame adds a heartfelt personal dimension that photos alone can't capture. One important note to keep in mind is that the frame includes an acrylic marker pen for writing your messages. If you want to make changes while personalizing, it's best to wipe off the writing quickly with a damp cloth to avoid permanent marks. Also, before using, be sure to peel off the protective film covering the acrylic surface. Overall, the Lnzong personalized wood picture frame offers a beautiful, durable, and customizable way to celebrate the moments and people that matter most to you. It's a gift that carries your love and creativity in a truly unique form, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to add a special personal touch to their photo displays. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in this unique personalized frame, check out the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.